Have you ever crossed by a lovely apartment building or a busy shopping center and thought there is something cool about managing a place like that? Well, guess what? You might be absolutely right. The world of property management is an exciting and dynamic field that offers the chance to be your own boss, build a successful career, and make a real difference in the lives of people. Whether you are an experienced real estate enthusiast or just interested in exploring new opportunities, this course is your key to learning the ins and outs of property management. I will take you on a comprehensive journey from the nuts and bolts of finding tenants to the strategies for maximizing your rental income. Wait, let me tell you the test of what you will discover in this course. At first, you will know about the superpowers of a property manager. You will discover how to become an expert organizer and problem solver as you will learn the essential skills needed to succeed in this profession. In this course, you will understand what are the property types. You will explore the diverse world of property management, from cozy residential spaces to bustling commercial zones. You will explore the particular factors to consider for every kind of property. You will be a pro at tenant treasure hunt. I will provide you with the tools you need to find the ideal tenants who will take good care of your property. You will also learn about maintenance magic. This course will cover how to handle unexpected repairs, keep your property in tip-top shape, and build relationships with reliable service providers. Additionally, you will be a master in financial fitness. You will unlock the secrets of setting rent, managing your finances like a pro, and dealing with those tricky late payments. This course will be a legal show. I will break down the legalities of property management, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law and avoid any potential headaches. Also, you will become a policy powerhouse. You will discover the importance of clear policies and procedures and learn how to create a framework for smooth operations. It is essential for you to be property management goal setting master. You will learn how to set smart goals for your property management journey, ensuring success in tenant acquisition, maintenance, finances, and beyond. And lastly, you will be a staff management superhero. If you want to build a team, I will guide you through the best practices for staff management, ensuring a happy and productive work environment. This course is designed for anyone who wants to learn the ropes of property management, whether you are considering it as a full-time career, want to manage your own investment property, or simply want to gain valuable knowledge about the real estate industry. So buckle up, get ready to learn and unlock the exciting world of property management.